Artificial intelligence is creating more millionaires than any other industry right now. And the best part? You don't need a lot of money to get started. In this video, I am going to show you how you can start investing in the world's biggest AI companies with as little as $10, even if you're a complete beginner. Welcome to Smart Wealth Academy, where we teach simple, smart, and realistic strategies to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. If you want to learn how to grow your money, invest wisely, and create long-term wealth, start by subscribing, because this channel is your new guide to smart money decisions. By the end of this video, you will learn the top AI companies to invest in as a beginner, how to buy fractional shares, starting with just $10, and the best global platforms you can use whether you live in the US, UK, Canada, Nigeria, or anywhere in the world. I'll also share a simple investing strategy so you don't lose money as a beginner. So stay with me until the end, because iLines also show you a bonus AI ETF you can invest in if you don't know which company to choose. Now, very importantly, this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. My job here is to guide you with simple, clear steps so you can start investing confidently, even with a small amount of money. Let us begin by answering a question many beginners ask. Is it really possible to invest in big companies like Nvidia or Microsoft with only $10? The answer is yes, and it's called fractional investing. And that's the first thing I want to explain so everything else makes sense. Fractional investing allows you to buy a portion of a stock instead of the full share. So even if one share of Nvidia costs over $900, you can invest $10, $20, or $50 and still own a small piece of that company. This makes investing more accessible than ever, especially for beginners who don't have a lot of money to start with. Now, why AI? Because artificial intelligence isn't just a trend. It's shaping the future of healthcare, finance, transportation, and business. Companies building AI today will control the future economy. And getting in early, even with small amounts, can create powerful long-term growth. So, here are 5 strong AI companies every beginner should research. These companies are leading the AI revolution. First, Nvidia. They're the backbone of AI, creating the chips that power almost every AI model. Next is Microsoft, a major investor in OpenAI, which created ChatGPT, and they're integrating AI into all of their products. Then we have Alphabet, or Google, innovators of incredible AI tech like Gemini and DeepMind. Amazon is another giant, using AI in cloud computing, automation, and its global logistics empire. And finally, Meta, which is building AI for its social platforms, virtual reality, and the future of digital reality. Try not to invest in all of them at once. Start with just 1 or 2 companies you understand and believe in. Depending on where you live, here are the best platforms you can use to start investing with as little as $10 through fractional shares. If you live in the United States, you can use Robinhood, M1 Finance, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab. If you're in the UK or Europe, check out Trading 212, eToro, or Revolut. For those in Canada, you have options like Wealthsimple or Interactive Brokers. And for our viewers in Nigeria or other African countries, apps like Bamboo, Chaka, Trove, or RiseVest allow you to buy US stocks right from Africa. Choose one platform, set up your account, verify your identity, and just start small. Remember, the most important thing is starting early, not starting big. If you're starting small, here is a simple beginner strategy. Invest $10 to $20 per week into one AI company you believe in. This is called dollar cost averaging. It reduces risk by spreading out your purchases and helps your investment grow steadily over time. Consistency always beats intensity. And now for that bonus I promised. If you're unsure which single company to pick, you can invest in an AI-focused ETF, which is a basket of many AI stocks. A great example for beginners to research is the Global X Robotics and Artificial Intelligence ETF with the ticker symbol BOTS. By buying one share of BOTZ, you instantly get exposure to dozens of top AI and robotics companies from around the world. It is a fantastic way to diversify your investment and reduce the risk of picking the wrong stock. So, to recap, you can start investing in the biggest AI companies with just $10 using fractional shares. Choose a platform that's available in your country. Pick 1 or 2 great companies or an ETF like BOTZ and invest a small amount consistently. That is the simple path to building wealth with one of the most powerful technologies of our lifetime. I hope this video has given you the confidence to start your investing journey. Remember to do your own research, as all investments carry risk. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Smart Wealth Academy for more simple strategies to grow your money. Let me know in the comments which AI company you're most excited about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.